this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook chicken wings using your Ninja Foodi using the air fryer lid. They are absolutely delicious. It's easy to mix and match with different flavours and you'll just love how crispy and yummy they are. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodi, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. So what ingredients do you need to do Ninja Foodi chicken wings? Well, of course, so you want the chicken wings. We've got a massive pack of them here like this that are just perfect. You might have a preferred choice. You might have a bottle of barbecue sauce you want to use. Or maybe you've bought some barbecued chicken wings from the butchers that have already been mixed with sauce. Well, the same rule would apply. So, what I recommend you start with is by loading your seasonings into a large mixing bowl. So we've got some Angel Wings barbecue seasoning. And then as well as this, we've got salt, pepper, and then some garlic puree, and then as well as this you can add in some of your favourite barbecue sauce. Don't be shy, add lots in, and then once you've added these things in, mix them together in your bowl. And it should be like that once it's nicely mixed. And then what you can do is you can load your chicken wings into the bowl. You just get in there. This box of them that we've got here is a kilo's worth, which equates to about 2.2 pounds. And then load it all in to the bowl. You don't want too much marinade at this point because otherwise quite a lot of it will come off. You can always add some more later. So give it a good mix in your bowl. And then you've got lovely sticky sauce there. And then position them in the air fryer basket. And there you have it. That's all your chicken wings now sat there in the air fryer basket, ready to be air fried. A hand wash later and we're ready to put the lid on and set the time and temp. So place the lid down and you're looking for 200 Celsius, which is 400 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 20 minutes. Though I should mention before we get cooking that this recipe is available in full with a free printable recipe card. Over on RecipeThis.com, simply search Ninja Foodi chicken wings and you'll find the full recipe there. And we're baked. Wow, these chicken wings have already done 20 minutes, which is brilliant. So now what you want to focus on is getting tongs or spatula or whatever you've got in there so you can get them all turned. Because what you can end up with is you can end up with them all sticking together on one side. You just want to make sure they're all getting a chance to cook and they're all getting some of the seasoning. So there, we've had a good mix around now. So now back on again and another 10 minutes at 200 Celsius. That's at 400 Fahrenheit, and then it should be done. And we've baked. And wow, don't those wings look brilliant? We've got a lovely, lovely colour on them as well from the barbecue sauce. So that's a bit like when you do them on the barbecue, and they're absolutely perfect. And that's a big portion of chicken wings there that we've just done in the Ninja Foodi. And of course you could do less, you can do more. And it's perfect for making ahead for barbecues, for taking on picnics, or just for something fun on a Friday night. So I've allowed the chicken wings to cool down a bit now. And what I also did whilst I was waiting for them to cool down is I mixed some more of the sauce up, so that I can then add an extra coating of this to the chicken wings before serving them. So if you want to do this, then simply, once they're cooked, load them back into the bowl. And yes, I know, I've made sure that I've actually cleaned the bowl out in between, so we're not dealing with raw chicken in a bowl and then cooked chicken, so you don't have to worry like that. The bowl has been rinsed out. And then you can simply use your spoon or your hands if you prefer and give it all a good mix. And this gives it that lovely barbecue sauce over the wings once they're cooked. And then once you've done this, obviously you wouldn't serve them to your guests in that big ugly green bowl. So then what you can do is you can find some sort of favourite serving platter and then transfer them into there. Ready for your guests. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can put the sauce on the side in a nice dipping bowl, and then they can have it from there instead. Look, remember this is from a kilo, which is 2.2 pounds of chicken, so it makes a really, really good portion for you to enjoy with your guests, and they'd be really, really impressed with your bowl of wings. So let's see what they taste like, shall we? And they're absolutely delicious. Lovely sticky wings, thanks to Ninja Foodi. And if you've not air fried chicken wings in the Ninja yet, then I recommend you give it a go. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.